Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here and what worked for me is simply turn off your PC, then unplug power cable from your computer, and it should look like something like this. And then what you need to do here is to press power button for at least 10 seconds to drain all the electricity from your computer. Then plug back your computer, turn on, and for me Bluetooth basically reappeared, right? So try it and look if the problem persists. Still, if the problem persists, we can proceed with other steps. First of all, go to services, and then on services you need to look for Bluetooth support service. Then you need to right click on it, go to properties, then make sure startup type is automatic, and also make sure service status is running. If it's stopped, press start, apply, okay, then right click, and then you can restart app as well. Then what you need to do here, go to the system tree here and make sure that airplane mode is not on, and then look if the problem persists, if the Bluetooth is working or not. Also guys, I forgot to mention, if you have more than one Bluetooth service here, try to enable them all just by pressing properties, startup type automatic, and then service status should be running for all the Bluetooth services here. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Other thing that you can do here is to go to Device Manager, then click on your desktop here, then press on action and then scan for hardware changes. And then look if the Bluetooth is appearing or not. Other thing that you can do here is to open a file explorer and then go to disk C, then go to Windows, then on Windows find System32, then on search you just need to write F², right? And then you should find this option here. You just need to right click on it, show more options, and send to a desktop, right? And what it does simply is a simple way how you can, as you can see here, use Bluetooth here. And so try this and look if the problem persists or not. Other thing that you can do here is to go to settings, then you need to go to system, then you need to go to Bluetooth, or not Bluetooth troubleshoot, then other troubleshooters, and then here you should find Bluetooth, and you just need to run a troubleshooter, and maybe your PC will detect something here. And then you just need to look if your PC detects something here. If it's not detected, then it can be a hardware problem. And what is just to do here, and I'm using it as well, you just need to get a Bluetooth dongle. It costs around $10, and you just need to plug it to your computer, and it will work like a Bluetooth, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.